Yes. Man, I know way too much about Star Wars now. Go on.
It's gonna take a minute, my love.
Wait a minute, Leon. Quit biting at the skin and all that.
Just a sec.
Are you I'm recording.
He said unknown error.
Hello?
Sir, if I use your phone? Serena!
Colton. Hi.
Serena!
Hi, Colton, I got you.
It says unknown error.
Let's try again.
I can't try.
Guess why? What's the internet doing over there?
It's not working.
The internet's not working, is why.
Yes, Serena, that wouldn't let me use your phone.
It's about dead, so you can't use it.
Hey, 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 hey.
Well, can I use your phone? Oh, the diaper isn't working.
Oh, shit. Is it working now? No? I can't even hold this still.
Mom, someone let me use your phone. It's a joke.
Yes.
Let me use your phone.
What you smoking? I was just saying, got my phone.
Wow.
Are you kidding me?
Say a detail about your phone. Tisha, where's the name?
Wow. That's...
You have to ask Aunt Serena. She's up right now.
What?
They want you to help them. She does.
Already. Come on, you try this one. Aw.
You have to go to the internet, my love, and right now it's...
It's not working.
Give me your phone. Everyone is doing it. Hey, Andrew, check.
I don't let kids play with my phone.
You can type it in. And you play. It's that simple.
Daniel, you get off of there right now.